Seven warrants?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't want him to just have to sit there. He turned himself in, which is, if he didn't know about this, what yeah. I know, I get that.
No matter what I do.
Hold on one second, please, sir. Mr. Klein?
In Judge Washington's court, we have a defendant who breaks down and walks out of court after finding out he has 7 warrants. Thank you for watching, and let's get into the video.
Yep. Okay. Go.
Case of the State of Michigan versus Vincent Klein, case number 23-00005.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Klein.
Good morning. I've signed the referral to the appointing authority in this case. Mr. Klein is here for an arraignment on a new case for operating while intoxicated and operating on a license revoked and or denied. Do you waive formal reading of the complaint, or do you need me to read it?
Yes, Your Honor, we will waive formal reading and stand mute.
Thank you. Having waived formal reading on the complaint, sir, I have to advise you of the maximum penalties. As I indicated earlier, you're charged with operating while intoxicated from a date of offense of November the 4th, 2022. This is a misdemeanor carrying a maximum penalty of 93 days and or a fine up to $500 plus court costs. Count 2 is operating while license revoked, suspended, or denied. That is also a misdemeanor carrying a maximum penalty of 93 days and or $500 and fines plus court costs. Do you understand the charges against you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
As to your advice or rights, have you had an opportunity to go over that with your attorney, or have you been provided that by the jail there, sir?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go over the basics of those rights with you so you make sure you understand them. You have a right to have a trial by a jury. You have the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses are called against you. You have the right to have witnesses on your own behalf. You can get an order signed by this court to require that they come to court. You have the right to see, hear. I said that already. You have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And you have the right to testify on your own behalf, or you could choose to remain silent. And if you chose to remain silent, the prosecutor could not comment on that. Do you understand those rights, sir?
Yeah.
All right. As to bond.
Good morning. We are asking for a personal bond in this matter. I did discuss it with Mr. Klein this morning. He does understand the prosecutor's request for any drug testing on this case. He did turn himself into the jail. He has a possession of a controlled substance case that he's being arraigned on this afternoon with Magistrate Fink. He did not know about this case, but knew there was a warrant on that case. He is a resident of Ypsilanti. He's not currently working. He does receive disability. However, he is looking for a new job. And he did tell me today that he has a disease which is eating his jawbone. He has a doctor's appointment on the 4th for that. So he is hoping to be able to attend that appointment next week.
Thank you. Unfortunately, he also has 5 other warrants. Are you aware of those?
I didn't see those in X jail. I just saw the possession of controlled substance.
You said 5 other warrants?
Correct.
Oh my God.
There's a warrant. 1 second. There's a warrant out of 25th District, Lincoln Park, for a moving traffic violation, $5,000 cash or surety bond. And they will pick up within 25 miles, which we are within, I believe.
You said what? Where? What is it again?
25th District, which is Lincoln Park. There's a warrant out of 39th district, which is Roseville. They'll pick up within 100 miles. There's $1,000 cash and surety bond. Failure to appear for a pretrial on a driving unregistered vehicle, DWLR, and improper plates.
Where's that at?
That one is in Roseville. There's a warrant for out of Dearborn, 19th District Court, for $250 cash and surety bond for failure to appear for arraignment and a show cause hearing on a registration and plate violation. There's a warrant, another warrant out of Dearborn for $550 cash and surety for driving while license suspended, failure to appear for arraignment and show cause. Then there's a warrant out of Taylor. Let's see. And that one is for a $400 bond for double parking. What? I don't know. It says
6
20.
warrants.
I'm sorry.
That's 6 of them.
Okay, well then there's 6.
Wow.
Well, there's another. No, that's another one in Taylor. You got 2 in Taylor. Another one for, sorry,
7.
another one for a $4,000 cash and surety bond. This one is for failure to appear for a review hearing on January 27th. And that one is for some type of traffic offense out of Taylor. So one of my concerns is that if I were to release him, then he won't be here. He won't be back for us to report.
Oh my God.
Have you contacted the sheriff's department to see if they might be able to take him to his appointment for his jaw bone issue? Because I would suggest that you do that.
Contact the sheriff to see if the other jurisdictions are going to pick him up. I think I missed.
No, whether or not they will take him to his appointment for the 4th, because
Okay.
he's not going to be out. He's got all those to take care of. There's no way he can be out on the 4th.
Okay. Yeah, I can look into that for sure.
Mhm. He gets arraigned this afternoon, you say, before the magistrate?
Yes.
And what's that charge?
It's a possession of a controlled substance case.
So I have 7 more, 7 warrants.
Yes, sir.
Oh my.
Sometimes they say they'll pick up and then they won't. You did turn yourself in, so I'm really considering what to do for you.
Yeah, thank you. This is crazy.
All right. What I'm gonna do is just put him on a GPS tether. He probably will not be back in time for a hearing, so I'll. And yeah, I don't want him to just have to sit there. He turned himself in, which is, if he didn't know about this, what you, yeah. I know, I get that.
No matter what I do, I do.
Hold on 1 second, please, sir.
Mr. Klein? Mr. Klein, are you still there?
Everything's on, she's on.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Just give us one moment.
Okay.
All right, so in the case that we were handling before Mr. Klein walked out, he's gone. So first of all, he's gone. I can't finish addressing this matter. I'm gonna set it over for Monday on my domestic violence docket, which is a day before he goes to he's supposed to be at his doctor's appointment. And see, in the meantime, you please put a note in your file there to see if the jail would take him to his doctor's appointment.
Yes, I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'm gonna set the bond in this case at 10% for now. And then I will revisit that bond at the next hearing. He's just got a lot going on. Hopefully maybe he can do some plea by mails in between time. I don't know if your office can talk to him about that.
For sure. I'll put that in my notes as well.
Thank you.
That was crazy, eh?